Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's look is this rose gold makeup look. I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day or prom. I know prom's coming up soon. I love the eyes. It is so dramatic but also so girly, and I'm obsessed with the glitter on the lids. And then I paired it with just a simple lip gloss on the lip because this was so dramatic. I didn't want to do too much on the lips, but I think this is the perfect look for Valentine's Day. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. But before we hop into this video, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am almost at 300 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy to me. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed and liked the video. And if you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, do me a favor and hit that button. If you have any comments, questions, drop them down in the comments down below. Like this video if you enjoy it and you want to see more videos from me. But anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start by priming my lids, and I'm going to use MAC's Paint Pot in the color Laying Low. I'm just going to take my brush and dip it into the product and then apply it on my lids. So once my base is on and I have a nice even layer, I'm going to go into this Physicians Formula Quad. Oops. This is their classic nudes, and I'm going to use this light color right here. They don't have names. I just want to set down that base to ensure that it doesn't crease and that the bright colors that I'm going to put on shows up easily. I'm going to take this angled brush right here that's from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to dip that into the shadow, tap off, and then blend that everywhere that I put that base primer. Now it's time to apply my transition color, and this one is called Corduroy by MAC, and just rock that right into the crease. I'm going to start on the outer corner of my crease and just blend that out. I want to deepen it up a little bit more, so I'm actually going to take this shadow right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Hot Chocolate. So I'm going to start with the outer corner, blend that out, and then go into the inner corner. I want to add a little bit of color to my crease just so that rose gold color can pop a little bit. This is the Inglot eyeshadow in the color 450. So I have this really nice red color called Dynasty from ColourPop. I'm going to apply that where I put that Inglot shade where I wanted to apply just a little bit of color and blend that out. Okay, good. It covers perfectly. I'm gonna dip back into Hot Chocolate on the fluffy brush and just blend this all out, especially deepening the outer V. I want to carve out my lid, so I'm gonna use MAC's Paint Pot in the color Laying Low again. I'm actually not going to set that down. I'm going to quickly go in with another brush, and I'm going to use this rosy pink color called Chopper from the Naked 2 palette. Alright, now that that is on, I'm going to go back into this Dynasty color, and I'm just going to blend out that outer V. I got this cute little sample in my Birchbox of the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the color Kit and Karma. Look at that. I'm like so sparkly. I love it. Oh, it dries really nicely too. Wow. As for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Booty Call from the Naked 2 palette with Dynasty again with a flat shader brush, and just apply that to my lower lash line, really focusing on the outer portion. I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Deep, and I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. I'm going to take the Inglot Gel Liner in the number 77 and a really tiny brush, and I'm just going to give myself a little line on my upper lash line. That way it can hide my lash band. I'm going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes and go ahead and apply my eyelashes on because y'all know I cannot apply that on camera. And then I'm going to use these Ardell, they're kind of dingy looking, black number 600 lashes, and I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. Alright, so these are the eyes with the lashes on. I think they're just really flirty and fun. This one does not want to cooperate today. I'm going to move on to highlighter, and I really love this Kilowatt highlighter duo. So I think this one is Moscow Mule. I'm going to apply it to the high parts of my cheek. Look at that. Kind of blends in that glitter that's already on my face because I can't get it off. I have a little bit of blush on, but I'm gonna go in with Ginger Binge and just apply that as my blush. Alright, for lips, I think I'm gonna go in, let's see, this will be really fun, like a nice pop of color, but I also like this one right here. I think I'm gonna go in with Ravish Raspberry by Milani because it's just like a fun pop of color. I'm going to line my lips using Chestnut by MAC. So this is the finished look. I love the way that this turned out. It is so girly, it is so glam, and I love the rose gold eyes. I have to wash my face right after this video, and I'm so sad because I'm obsessed with the way that this turned out. And I love the berry lip, and it's like the perfect pop of color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Like it if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.